Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Central government approves setting up of task force to monitor and expedite process of citizenship issues. Team expected to function within 2 weeks. Mining dependents unhappy with government's one-time loan settlement scheme, says scheme is insufficient, tells government to approach Centre for Financial Help. Alex Reginald demands auctioning of leases. Mining dependents oppose the demand, support renewal of existing leases. CBI court at Mapsa tells former director of prosecution Shobha Dumaskar to face trial in corruption case, rejects ACB's plea of closing the case. Goa Rugby Football Union's touch rugby teams set for tournament debut in Karnataka, event in Bangalore to witness teams from 4 states. And 41st National Women's Chess Championship gets off to a start at Pede. Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza felicitates top Goan players. Now the news in detail. There is good news for those Goans who have registered their births in Portuguese registry. Central government has approved setting up of a task force to monitor and expedite the processing of citizenship and long-term visa applications. The task force is expected to start functioning in 2 weeks' time.
Long-time demand to resolve the issue of dual citizenship related to Goans who have also registered their births in Portuguese registry will yield final results. Union Home Ministry has approved setting up of a task force to monitor and expedite the procedure of citizenship and long-term visa applications. The key work of this task force will be to undertake the activities such as expediting the cases, having complete documents so that full process is completed within 2 months. In the cases where representations are received about specific pending cases in state governments, MHA will follow up with the state government concerned. Ministry of Home Affairs officials may also be sent to coordinate with State Home Department and FRO officials. The task force is expected to start functioning in 2 weeks' time. The task force will be headed by Joint Secretary level officer. There are many litigations pending before different courts and concerned authorities against Goans having dual citizenship. Now, those Goans who have registered their births in Portuguese registry can have a sigh of relief. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Mining dependents and barge owners have pointed out multiple flaws in government's one-time loan settlement scheme. Truck owners question, if government pays 35% of the loan amount, then how and from where does a mining dependent arrange the remaining 65%? Barge owners feel that the relief is insufficient.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had declared one-time loan settlement scheme for mining dependents on 4th September. As per the scheme, government would clear 35% of the loan amount and remaining 65% would be borne by the loanee. But mining dependents and barge owners have objections on this scheme.
पहिले आम्ही जे डिक्लेअर केलं ते नोटिफिकेशन केला. I don't think anybody will be in the position to opt for that scheme. तुका जर 15 लाख रुपये जाय तुझे 35% तुवें हें आसा 65% तूं खंयच्यान हाडटलो हो बेजीक प्रश्न आहा. वी हॅव सजेस्टेड ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर की तूं 100% लोन आहा तें एडजस्ट कर. वी आर नॉट आस्किंग दॅट 100% लोन वेव करचें गव्हर्मेंटान. सॉफ्ट लोन दी, इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन दी, and that जे लोकांचेर जो भिरांकूळ वातावरण जे आसा तें क्लियर कर.
Truck owners are not satisfied with the scheme. They are asking, how do we pay up the remaining 65%?
गव्हर्मेंटान 35% जे आमकां दिता म्हणून सांगलां लोना विशयी दिता म्हणून सांगलां ते सद्याक आमची परिस्थिती इतली हें जालेली आसा बिकट जालेली आसा ते 65% आमी ते भरूंक खंयचे परिस्थिती आतां शकना. कारण कितें आसा पळयलें जाल्यार आमी जे गव्हर्मेंटान जे कितें आमकां हेल्प करताले 8 आनी 12,000 तेजेर आजून पसून थोडे लोक आसा ते पात्रांक पोट भरतात. आनी आमकां ज्या पद्दतीन आज तेणी हेल्प केले कडेन आसा सरकारान त्याच पद्दतीन ह्या लोनाचेर गव्हर्मेंटान ते हें EDCचेर टेक ओवर करून घेवपाचें आनी आमकां तितूंतल्यान मातशें रिलीफ दिवपाची. आमचे सद्याक आतां पोट भरपाकच सद्याक कांयना. गव्हर्मेंटान कितें आमकां 8 आनी 12 हजार तेजेर आमी सद्या आतां पोट भरतात आनी हे जर फाल्यां सकाळ लाखांनी जर भरचे पडले लाखांनी भरता जाल्यार आमी भरतले खंयच्यान पयशे आमकां येवपाचे काय ना. ट्रक चालू आसा जाल्यार ते येताले पयलीं येताले आनी तेजेर कितें चलतालें तें आतां सद्याची परिस्थिती कांयच बरपाची ना. इतली परिस्थिती सारकी बिकट जाले कडेन आसा.
Barge owners have also highlighted the loopholes in the scheme.
चडशे आमचे barge owners आसा about 89 their loans are more than 1 crore. So those people तांकां 4.5 कोटी कोणाचे लोन आसा. ओके अशें आमच्या कडेन जवळ जवळ 4 कोटीच्या वयर 15 केसीस आसा. 3 ते 4 कोटीच्या भितर 17 केसीस आसा. आतां तांकां जर आमी 35 लाख दिले आनी समजा लोन क्लोज कर आनी तेगे लोन जर समजा 4.5 कोटी 4 कोटी नाल्यार इवन 3 कोटी आसत जाल्यार 35 लाख दिवन बाकीचे पयशे खंयच्यान हाडटले ते. आमचे कडेन जवळ 250-300 बाजी आसा तातूंतले फक्त 10 मनशांक बेनिफीट पावपाक शकता which may not go beyond 3 to 4 कोटी रुपया.
As per one of the local dailies, RBI has scrapped government's proposal of waiving off interest on loans of mining dependents. If this is true, then mining dependents will have to pay interests piling up with the outstanding loan amounts. If the news is true, then government's loan settlement scheme would have no meaning. Meanwhile, mining ban will complete 2 years on 9th September. Goa Mining People's Front will stage a dharna at Kranti Maidan, pressing for immediate resumption of mining operations in Goa.
साहेबा पळय 9 तारीख 2 वर्सां जाली. 2 वर्सांचो केक कापल्या भशेन बंद केल्ले हेजेर. So now at least they should move fast. The way the government is moving, I think they are having very slow process. So this dharna 9 तारखेक जाता. That is also a गव्हर्मेंटाक एक शिटकावणी की तुजें मार्ग आक्रमण जे आहा तें चालू दवर. आनी दॅट इज ऑल्सो वन दीस थिंग वी हॅव ऑल्सो डिसायडेड. काल आमची जेन्ना हांगा मिटींग जाली की आमी 9 तारखेक जेन्ना धरणा करतात वी आर गिवींग सम टायम बिकॉज गव्हर्मेंट हॅव सेड दॅट ऑन ऑर बिफोर नोव्हेंबर ऑर मॅक्झिमम बाय 15th of December गोंयचें मायनींग चालू जातलें. आनी जालें ना आसत जाल्यार गोंयच्या स्वातंत्र्य दिसा सुद्दां आमी गोवा मायनींग पीपल फ्रंट परत जर रस्त्यार येवपाक जालें येतलें.
Front has demanded that government should rethink on the loan waiver scheme and approach the Centre for Financial Assistance. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Mining leases should be auctioned and not renewed. This is Congress MLA Alex Reginald's demand. Reginald said CM Parrikar needs to answer on who gave him the authority to promise renewal of leases to mine owners. On the other side, Goa Mining People's Front has opposed auctioning of leases. Contradictory to what Reginald is demanding, the front has supported renewal of existing leases.
Congress MLA Alex Reginald has lashed out at CM Parrikar for promising mine owners renewal of leases. He says government will lose revenue worth 35,000 crores if the leases are renewed.
Parrikaran promise दिली की आपण रिन्यू करतो म्हणून आणि जर ऑक्शन केलेले जाल्यार 27,000 crore up to even 35,000 crores मेळपाक शकताले पब्लिक एक्सचेकराक which is budgetaचे almost 4 times more. Why this is the government doing for a paltry sum of barik amount of 380 crore? हे करपाक म्हाका सदा गव्हर्मेंटान लोकांक कन्सल्ट केलो ना. Why does the people have to bear this loss? की ऑक्शनिंग जावपा जाय आणि प्रेसान खंय तरी कोर्ट जाल्लें की appeal lies in the Supreme Court म्हणून.
But it seems the stakeholders for whom Reginald is betting are not in agreement of his views. Goa Mining People's Front does not want auction of leases. They have supported CM's decision of renewing the existing leases.
आणि आज जर ऑक्शन केलें नवो प्लेयर येयलो जाल्यार हे कामगारांक कोण घेतलो? तांची कंटिन्युटी इन सर्वीस उरतली, तांचो लास्ट ड्रॉन पे उरतलो. कित्याक 20 वर्सां 25 वर्सां काम करून आयज खंय तरी एक 10,000 15,000 तांच्या हातीन पडटा. ऑक्शन करपाची मांडावळीक आमचो विरोध आसा. ऑक्शन जावपाक जायना. एक्झिस्टींग जे कोण लीज होल्डर्स आसा तांच्या लीज दिवपाक जाय.
Savio Dias with Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.